students! My name is Teacher Lani. How are you today? I hope you are doing great. Because today, Teacher Lani will be showing you our topic of the week. Our topic for this week is all about nature environment. Again, repeat after me. Nature environment. So first, I am going to show you a video about nature environment. So please listen carefully because I am going to ask you a question later. So, are you ready? Okay, let's start!
English Sing-Sing.
Geography. Sky.
The sky is so high. Sky.
Land.
We are standing on the land. Land.
Mountain.
The mountain shoots up. Mountain.
Forest.
Many animals live in a forest. Forest.
Field.
There are wide green fields. Field.
Rainforest.
A rainforest has lots of rain. Rainforest.
Desert.
A desert is a very hot and dry place. Desert.
Sea.
The sea is very deep and blue. Sea.
Island.
An island is surrounded by the sea. Island.
River.
A river flows into the sea. River.
Lake.
A lake is as smooth as a mirror. Lake.
Valley.
A valley is a lowland between two mountains. Valley.
Waterfall.
A waterfall falls from a cliff. Waterfall.
It's review time! Kids, are you ready to answer my questions? Okay, that's great! Let's start! What is this? Very good! It's a sky! 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 What is this? Good job! This is an island. 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 This is a sea. Can we spell the word sea? S-E-A-C. Good job, kids! How about this one? What is this? Great! It's a desert. 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 And this one? What is this? Great. It's a field. 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 This is a forest. Can we spell the word forest? F-O-R-E-S-T. That's amazing, kids. Can you still remember what is this? Nice. It's a mountain. 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 How about this? Can you tell me what is it? Great. This is a land. 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 How about this? Can you tell me what is it? Very nice. This is a lake. 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 This is a river. Can we spell the word river? R-I-V-E-R. River. Very good. Can you still remember what this picture is? Great job. It's a waterfall. Waterfall. That's all for this week's lesson. See you again next week. Bye-bye.